Hitting the dance moves, hit them dance moves on them. Shoot, shoot.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
I got this game that I used to play like back in the day when I had my HTC Evo, and it was called Abduction. So we're gonna run that game real quick, see if we can have a little bit of fun. So the Blu R2 Plus has a MediaTek processor in it that's clocked at 1.5 gigahertz. It has a GPU in it that has a weird name. I think it's the PowerVR Rogue GE8100. This game isn't too graphic heavy. It's more of like a fun game. So I just want to see the experience of playing this game on a screen like this. All right, basically with this game here, you're just gonna jump up and land on platforms. That's all you gotta do. And I used to have so much fun with this game. Let me see. And you can go like reverse. I'm gonna try my hardest not to die. Boo. So I used to have so much. Oh, extra life. Okay, this game right here, man. You have a little bit too much fun. I died. We're gonna do one more here. We're gonna do medium again. So boom. So I can say right now, this device. I died so quick. We gotta do one more for the road. All right, medium here. So boom, bang, bang, landing. All right. One for the road here. I'm gonna run a more graphic heavy game after this one. I figured we can play like some Sonic Dash, because I used to play that game off and on, but it does have like a high performance mode where you can get a little bit better graphics with it. So I'm gonna try to use that. So I only made it to the top like 1 or 2 times. Let's see if I can get up there. Boom. This has turned out to be a little bit longer than expected here. Might make it to the top. Jinxed myself. Let's run Sonic Dash here and see if we can get some, decent graphics with this device. I'm gonna try to put it on high performance mode and see how it runs, and we'll figure it out. All right, here we are. We're in Sonic Dash here. So the phone looks a little laggy. I could tell I gotta go into settings myself and change it to low. So you can see like it's like really not good at all. But I'll say this though, like playing the game, it has gotten a little smoother though. It's kind of weird. I think it's the first time I used a device where it was like super laggy and stuttery at first, but as the game kept going and you kept playing, it got a little bit smoother. But yeah, it's working perfectly fine now. I don't usually mobile game too much, y'all, but to show you guys the performance of the phone, I feel like I could start doing a little bit more. Hitting the dance moves, hit them dance moves on them. Shoot, shoot. So as far as gaming on this device here, I would say it should be able to handle some games that are highly graphical, like super crisp looking games. You probably got to put those type of games on like low to medium settings, depending on the game. In this case here with the Sonic, the actual quality of playing the game increased. Like it was like a little laggy and slow at first, but as the game kept going, the performance improved. So that's gonna be the Blu R2 Plus gaming there. If you guys want to see me play any other games on this device here, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to like this video if you haven't liked it already. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell, ensuring that you see every single video that's uploaded to the channel. Guys, share these videos with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It's just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.
Nurse strap.